Hey guys, Noah here, and I am re-recording this video because I accidentally forgot to hit the record button on my camera. And this is the unboxing and review of the Blomkamp Trilogy. It's, for some reason on the case, it's Blomkamp³. Not exactly sure why. So I am not going to be unboxing this for the first time, but you're not missing that much, actually. Basically, it just had this plastic wrap here over the movies. But on the back here, you can see this is Neil Blomkamp's three main movies that he's released to date. It's going to be Chappie, District 9, and Elysium. And these are all spectacular movies, in my opinion. And they all portray a distinct vision that he is not afraid to portray, Neil Blomkamp. So, like I said, I already hit record on my camera, or I didn't hit record on my camera, but I was recording all the audio, and now I had to go back and re-record it. So, basically, all that I did differently was I took this plastic off of the front cover, and it just has the sticker saying what this is and what it includes. And then this right here I already removed as well. This is just basically stuck on, it's like a little slip of paper that's stuck onto the cover using just little sticky dots. And you want to be careful because if you're trying to preserve the art on this case, you want to remove these slowly because you don't want to tear the back. I've seen a couple of people do that with this. But yeah, it's just a little piece of paper, and this just has all the words for the movies on it. And then on the actual case itself, once you remove that, it is just District 9, Chappie, Elysium, Blomkamp Trilogy, and then the rest is just art, and each movie has a distinct color theme to it. Not exactly sure why the order is in this orientation, because it is nor alphabetical or in the order they were released, so I'm not exactly sure why he chose to order them like that. But I don't know, I think it's still cool. But flipping inside, I did already remove the digital code. That's going to be off to my side here. I'm not going to reveal it because it's mine. And it's basically one code for all three of the movies. This was just sitting inside here. Yeah, and you flip to the first page, if you want to call it that. It's going to be Chappie with art in the background for Chappie. And then I'm going to, this is the introductory note for the digibook. But I'm going to skip over the digibook for now and go to the back, and I'll tell you why in a second. Here's District 9 and Elysium. And basically this is just the acknowledgments and saying that most of the art in this digibook has been taken from the actual physical art books that have been released by Titan Books. So this is just kind of like snippets from the actual full art books of the movies, which I wasn't so inclined to own because I was more interested in getting one collection with all the movies since I don't own them all, that also has, some cool extra collectible stuff. There are some cool special features in these. Chappie especially, it has like an alternate ending and a couple hours of special features. I think it was for each movie, or was it total? I can't remember, but there is a lot of special features included on these. And the menus do have some cool loading screens and art when you actually load them up on the Blu-ray player. This is only available on Blu-ray to my knowledge, and then the digital copy, which I showed you before. So, yeah, now I'm going to get to the art book, and the only reason I neglected to show you that before is because I did not want to spoil any of the movie through the art by accident if you haven't seen any of them. I didn't want to spoil the art book for those of you who want to buy this collection without looking at what the art book looks like. So I'm just going to really quickly flip through here in case you all want to see what it looks like. And like I was saying before, Neil Blomkamp has a distinct vision with his movies, and they all use his amazing CGI effects and camera handiwork. It's an amazing director's job to portray things the way he's doing, because when you watch these movies, you really feel like you're a part of them. I'm not trying to sound cliche or anything, but they the blend of special effects and practical effects is just amazing. It's hard to tell what's practical and what's CGI, the way that he films these. Like, even his oldest film, District 9, still looks fantastic. The special effects in it are just jaw-dropping at times. And Elysium has a lot of moments, too, where you are kind of, you find yourself flabbergasted by how amazing the visuals are. But I'm not trying to make this sound like just a visual graphics fest or whatever. They are amazing movies. The story isn't always the main focus for these movies. It's kind of more about portraying the world and seeing the world through Neil Blomkamp's vision. And I don't know. I think that I really like them personally. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments which one of Neil Blomkamp movies, if you've seen them all, is your favorite. Mine personally would probably have to be District 9, but I do really like the other ones as well. That is about it for my Neil Blomkamp trilogy unboxing. I did buy this for $9 on Amazon. That's why I bought it. It's such a good deal. I will leave a link for that in the description. Hopefully it stays. Hopefully the deal doesn't go away or something like that, so you guys can also pick it up that cheap. But yeah, like I said, that's about it. It's just the 3 movies, digital code, and then the art book in this really cool case. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. You think that you can tell me if you think that District 9 is your favorite movie, or maybe one of the other ones your favorite movie. Tell me a little bit about why. I do really love these movies though. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.